It's your girl Goldie, and today's video I'm going to be doing a perm rod set on my locks. I am almost 5 months logged. I will be 5 months logged on March 13th, but this is what my hair looks like. This is my stretched length. I'm getting there, but I've never seen a perm rod set done too frequently on shorter hair, so I wanted to see what this was going to look like on my locks. To start off, I used some water. I'm using a pack of 12 perm rods, but I'm using 3 packs of those, so 36, some oil, and then I'm going to wrap my hair with a scarf and my bonnet. To start off, I'm just going to saturate my hair in my water mixture. This is distilled water, aloe vera, jojoba oil, and black castor oil. And my other bottle of oil that you guys seen was peppermint, biotin, and tea tree oil. But yeah, I'm just going ahead and saturating my hair to make sure that the curls really set in overnight while it dries. This is what a perm rod looks like. If you guys didn't know, it just has like a little elastic thing and you clip it and unclip it just like that. For my hair, for majority of them I used 3-to-1 ratio, so 3 locks to 1 rod, but in the front I did do 2 just because I wanted it to be a bit more defined, and I had to do it this way. It would have been ideal for me to do 2 per, but I didn't have enough of these rods. If you guys didn't know, I have 98 locks and I only had 36 of the rods, so I kind of had to make do with what I had. But I'm going to speed up the rest of this process. It's basically the same exact thing. As you guys seen, I started at the ends and I just rolled my way up and secured it. Each section I do go ahead and spray it again, even though I sprayed my whole head earlier, just to really saturate the locks and make sure that it curls from the inside out. Alright, so we are on my very last lock section, and this honestly didn't take me too long. I want to say that it took me maybe about 25 minutes total to wrap all of these up, which isn't long at all. I went ahead and took my spray bottle once again and just mist it all over my hair just to make sure that I didn't miss anything. Next, I took my oil and I put it throughout my hair and let it run down my scalp. And this is what they all look like all in my head. It's not too bad. It's kind of comfortable, kind of uncomfortable at the same time, but I felt worse. For my bedtime routine with these, I just went and took my scarf and wrapped my hair up. This is just going to make sure that they are nice and secure because my bonnet is pretty big, so I didn't want them to move around too much while I was in my sleep, so this was just extra precaution. And yeah, I just put my bonnet on. Everyone says it looks like a chef's hat, but you can get this off of Amazon if you guys were wondering. It's super duper big and nice. But yeah, it's time to go to sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. This is what they look like. They're all nice and dry, and so it is time to take them out. Now, I did end up missing one in the middle in the back, but that's neither here nor there. You can't really tell. So I'm just taking all of them out. This did not take long at all, but after I take all of them out, it is time to separate all of the curls. And as you guys can see, I'm just making sure that I'm getting all of the clips out because that would be embarrassing. But now I'm just going through and separating all of the locks from each other so it can kind of have like a fuller look and not be so condensed. And yeah, this is gonna take a little minute. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like. I'm just shaking it out, making sure that everything is all nice and natural looking. And I mean, it's cute. It's giving a little something, but I have to lay these baby hairs and do my makeup, so I will be right back. this is what we're looking like, and this is so freaking cute, you guys. I did not think that I was gonna like this. And then these are some pictures that I took and everything, as you guys seen in the thumbnail, which is probably why you clicked on this video, because I look pretty freaking good. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.